In previous class we discussed the topic methods of making compost and manure. Pit method, heap method, materials needed for making compost and manure, dried plants such as leaves, grasses, flowers, weeds, etc. In today's class we will be discussing the topic process involved in making compost. Pit method. Dig a dip pit. Spread dried plants such as leaves, grasses, flowers, decayed fruits or seeds, weeds, etc. Add some ashes and animal dungs among dried plants. Add water and cover with soil. Leave for a or 2 months. After a month or more, the dried plants would have decomposed into a black powdery manure. Ready to apply to the farmland. Heap method. Heap method is done by burying compost materials in the soil to decay and moistened with water. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.